Remote telemetry on a septic system for a tiny house prevents surprise failures by giving you real-time pump and tank level insight. Install float telemetry sensors at 2 points in the tank to capture pump cycle and high-level states, and pair them with a cellular or long-range wide-area network transmitter, depending on site connectivity. Use a low-power 3-volt or 4-volt float switch or ultrasonic level sensor so the system can run reliably on a small solar kit. Configure readings at intervals that balance battery life and responsiveness. For example, every 10 minutes for routine monitoring and every 1 minute during active pump cycles, and compress or batch data if using cellular to reduce transmission cost. Send data to a cloud dashboard that timestamps each event, plots pump runtime per cycle, records tank level trends, and calculates cumulative daily and weekly runtimes so you can detect slow increases in cycle frequency that indicate a developing clog or rising water table. Set automated alerts that notify you by text and email when pump runtime exceeds a threshold, when the tank reaches a critical level, or when sensor readings stop updating, and make sure alerts escalate if the first notification is not acknowledged. For power budget, choose sensors with deep sleep modes and low quiescent draw, use a duty cycle that wakes only to sample and transmit, and size a solar panel and battery for worst-case winter insulation at your latitude. Finally, configure a simple calibration routine after installation by marking known water heights and correlating them to sensor output so reported levels are accurate and trending is meaningful. Common mistakes include placing float sensors in turbulent sump locations where false actuations occur, move floats to calmer pockets, or use a stilling tube to isolate readings. Another issue is ignoring power budgeting, which leads to drained batteries and silent failures. Resolve that by selecting low power sensors, reducing transmission frequency, and sizing the solar system for low light months. A third frequent problem is treating alerts as one-off events instead of patterns. Respond to repeated minor alerts by reviewing the trend log for gradual changes in cycle length or level that precede a failure and schedule preventive maintenance before the system trips. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors for installations like telemetry systems and to help contractors find work in tiny house and remote site projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, vendor experiences, and troubleshooting advice.